Test your brain power with 30 exciting riddles. Can you solve each one in just 10 seconds? Dive into the challenge and prove your skills. I'm full of holes, but I can hold water. What am I? A sponge. What has a spine but no bones? A book. The more you take from me, the bigger I get. What am I? A hole. I am a type of tool, but also a body part. What am I? Nail. I am a type of fruit, but also a term in gymnastics. What am I? Banana. I have a head like a cat and feet like a cat, but I am not a cat. What am I? Kitten. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind. What am I? An echo. I am a type of flower, but also a celestial body. What am I? Sunflower. Jenna has 5 daughters and they each have a brother. How many children does she have? Six. What has an end but no beginning? A rope. What has many teeth but can't bite? Comb. What has one eye but can't see? A needle. I am full of holes, yet I can hold water. What am I? A sponge. I have branches, but no fruit, trunk or leaves. What am I? Bank. I'm light as a feather, yet the strongest person can't hold me for long. What am I? Breath. I am always hungry, I must always be fed. The finger I touch will soon turn red. What am I? Fire. I am always on the run, but I never get anywhere. What am I? Treadmill. What can you hold in your left hand but not in your right? Your right hand. I am black when you buy me, red when you use me, and gray when you throw me away. What am I? Charcoal. I'm tall when I'm young and short when I'm old. What am I? Candle. What has a head, a bed, and wears a crown? A river. What has a face but no eyes? A clock. It's been around for millions of years, but it's never more than month old. What is it? Moon. I am a type of music, but also a color. What am I? Blues. I am always in front of you but can't be seen. What am I? The future. What has hands but can't clap? A clock. I can fill a room but take up no space. What am I? Light. I am something that has teeth but cannot bite. What am I? A comb. I am a type of animal with horns, but also a term in finance. What am I? Bull. I am a type of animal, but also a brand of shoes. What am I? Puma. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel, Infozillien.